Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. I am Mohammad Abdullah. My ID number is 2510737169. Today I am going to presenting the course of business statistics. My presentation topic is role of statistics in artificial intelligence and big data. In this presentation, I will discuss what statistics, AI, and big data are, and how statistics play a vital role in these modern technologies. Introduction to statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is the science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting data. It helps us understand information and make better decisions. In today's data-driven world, statistics is an essential tool for research, business, and technology expert. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence or AI is a technology that enables machine to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. AI can learn from data, recognize patterns, solve problems, and make decisions. Examples include ChatGPT, virtual assistant, and self-driving cars. What is big data? Big data refers to extremely large and complex data that cannot be processed using traditional method. Data is generally every second from social media, online transaction, smartphone, and sensor. Big data helps organizations gain valuable insight and improve decision making. How statistics is used in AI and big data. Statistics is a key component of both AI and big data. It helps collect, clean, and analyzing data. Statistical methods allow AI system to learn from data and make accurate prediction. In big data, statistics help identify trends, relationship, and pattern hidden with large data. Statistical technique used in AI. Several statistical techniques are used in AI. Probability helps measure uncertainty and predict outcomes. Regression analysis is used for forecasting and prediction. Hypothesis testing help evaluate assumption, while Bayesian statistics improve prediction as new information becomes available. Real life example. Statistics is widely used in many real life applications of AI and big data. For example, Netflix and YouTube use statistical model to recommend movies and videos based on user preference. In healthcare, statistics help disease and improve patient care. In banking, it is used to detect fraudulent transactions and assess credit risks. Online shopping platforms like Amazon use statistics to recommend products that customers are likely to buy. These examples show how statistics help AI make smarter and more accurate decisions in our daily lives. Benefits of statistics in AI and big data. Statistics provide many benefits in AI and big data. It improves the accuracy of prediction, support data-driven decision, reduce uncertainty, and helps discover hidden patterns in data. As a result, organizations can operate more efficiently and make better strategic decisions. Now discuss the about of challenge. Despite its advantage, there are some challenges. Poor quality or incomplete data can lead to incorrect result. Privacy and security concerns are also important when dealing with large amount of data. In addition, advanced statistical analysis often require specialized skill and powerful computing resource. Statistics is the foundation of artificial intelligence and big data. It enables machines to learn from data, support accurate prediction, and help extract meaningful insight from large data. As technology continue to advance, the importance of statistics will continue to grow. Thank you for your attention.